Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has a 7-inch touchscreen which features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's air conditioning, cruise control and speed limiter, and the car's done less than 15,000 miles. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.